If you're an American who hates Islam, I can prove to you that Sharia law would be better for America than our current democracy system. Number one, there would be no interest-based banking system. This would mean no student debt, no credit cards, no housing collapses, which is literally destroying our economy right now. Number two, there's actual punishments for crime. Our current judicial system puts criminals in jail and then puts them back out on the streets and doesn't actually solve the problem. Sharia law has real punishments, crime would plummet. Number three, zakat would solve poverty. We have a major poverty issue in America. And under Sharia law, the rich people like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk would be required to take care of the poor people. Number four, we would have no gambling and no prostitution. These are two things that are destroying the nucleus of the American family. Number five, women would finally have rights and be protected. In America, they are used as marketing objects to make corporations money and to screw over the women and to screw over the average man. Now don't get emotional, okay? I'm an American. I love my country, but I would love to see America use Sharia law. Let's take a second to look at prospering Islamic nations. Places like the UAE and Bahrain, they have the best economy, they are the safest, and they have the happiest population. If you disagree with me, you are just uneducated. This is not my opinion. These are stats, and you can't argue with stats.